Welcome to day 13 of our learning series. 4 advanced words plus idiom, with examples and short stories. Let's begin. Pinnacle, the highest or most successful point of something. Synonyms: peak, apex, summit.
The climbers finally reached the mountain's pinnacle at sunrise. Winning the championship was the pinnacle of his career. The company reached its pinnacle of profitability. This symphony is considered the pinnacle of classical music.
Clara had spent years designing sustainable buildings. When her eco-friendly tower won an international award, she felt she had reached the pinnacle of her career. The award wasn't just her personal success, it was proof that green design could shape the future of architecture. What personal qualities help people reach the pinnacle in their field? Write it in the comments. Allocate. To assign or distribute resources like money, time, or materials to a specific purpose. Synonyms: assign, distribute, designate.
The city allocated land for a new hospital. The board allocated extra funds to research and development. Cloud services allocate storage space dynamically. The manager allocated 2 extra engineers to the project.
Jonas managed a startup with limited funds. He carefully allocated money to development, marketing, and customer support. Every dollar had to count. His astute decisions didn't just keep the company alive, they paved the way for growth. Versatile. Able to do many different things well, or to be used effectively in many different situations. Synonyms: flexible, multi-talented, resourceful.
He's a versatile actor in both comedy and drama. This sofa is versatile, serving as a couch, a bed, and storage space. Versatile employees can easily transition between different projects and roles. This jacket is so versatile, you can wear it to work or a party.
Leela was hired as a designer, but her versatile skills quickly showed. She could code prototypes, pitch ideas to clients, and even edit videos. Instead of being confined to one role, she became the team's go-to problem solver and earned a reputation as the most versatile member of the team. Do you consider yourself a versatile person? Write it in the comments. Meticulously, in a way that shows great care and attention to detail. Synonyms: precisely, thoroughly, diligently.
He meticulously documented each step of the process for transparency. The accountant meticulously tracks every expense in the budget. The writer meticulously edited his novel, polishing every sentence. She meticulously checked every detail to ensure the final report was flawless.
Hiroshi was about to negotiate with a major investor. He meticulously researched the market, rehearsed his answers, and polished every slide. When the meeting began, his preparation impressed the investors and secured the funding his company needed. In the long run. After a long period of time. Eventually. Synonyms: ultimately, in the end, after all.
Training employees may delay results, but in the long run it boosts growth. Documenting processes feels boring, but in the long run it saves time and avoids chaos. The initial cost of the solar panels is high, but they'll save money in the long run. Customer loyalty brings more profit in the long run than one-time sales.
Marta rejected the idea of hiring quickly just to fill roles. She preferred building a team carefully, even if it took months. Some managers grew impatient, but in the long run, her approach created a strong culture and a team that stayed loyal. Today we've learned pinnacle, allocate, versatile, meticulously, in the long run. You'll see them again in future videos, so they'll stick in your memory. Subscribe, and see you tomorrow for more C1 words.